will enable us to model law, both individual provisions and the larger structures these provisions form, which in turn will unlock new possibilities. Currently, we routinely translate law from printed format into digital format. Modern lawyers spend more time reading computer screens than visiting law libraries. But digitization of text only takes us so far. Both print and computer screens display the law in human language. To better model law and to unlock the power of artificial intelligence, we must convert law from human language into a form that a computer can recognize and process. We must transform law into a form that enables computation. We model law for a variety of purposes. First, computational models of law function as knowledge representation. These models contain the rule content of specific laws in a form that is recognizable by a computer. And since computers execute algorithms, the rule content must be stated in an algorithmic form. Most legal rules take a conditional form, which well suits a computer. If certain conditions specified in a legal rule are satisfied, a particular legal conclusion follows. The conditions set out in the rule operate as inputs to the computer. The legal conclusion is the computer's output. Consider this provision of Swedish law. If the buyer has not put the seller on notice of the defect of the goods, within 2 years after receiving the goods, he shall have forfeited the right to invoke the defect, unless otherwise provided by a warranty or other similar undertaking. To convert this provision into algorithmic form, we would encode the inputs as yes-no binary switches. Has the buyer provided the seller with notice that the goods are defective? Yes or no? Has the notice been given outside of 2 years from the buyer's receipt of the goods? Yes or no? Was there no warranty or other undertaking extending seller's responsibility beyond 2 years? Yes or no? The output of the algorithm would be the resultant legal consequence of buyers having forfeited the right to allege the goods are defective. And so the algorithm in operation would flow like this. If notice of defect given more than 2 years after delivery, yes. And there was no warranty extending beyond 2 years, yes. Then the buyer has forfeited his right. Computers can be used to access information translated into algorithmic form. Artificial intelligence may be used to provide meaningful yet easily understood answers to questions about the law directly to the public. And computational models of law, such as in the example above, can give the human operator access to law in its functional or algorithmic form.